In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Fiverr. Now, I will be honest with you guys, this process is a lot more complicated than it needs to be. But the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Fiverr.com website, then go to the top right and select on your profile icon like so, then go ahead and press on settings. Then you should be bought a page that looks like this, and then go ahead and scroll down to where it says account deactivation. But where it says I'm leaving because, make sure you go ahead and choose I want to change my username. So go ahead and just briefly explain why you want to change your username and stuff like that. All right, so once you're done with that, then you need to go ahead and actually deactivate your account. But guys, you could then make a new account with your brand new username, and if you use the same email address, you are basically able to just change your username that way. But keep in mind, your profile and gigs won't be shown on Fiverr anymore, and any active orders will be canceled. But once you're 100% sure that you want to go through with this process and that you understand the consequences, go ahead and press on this option that says deactivate account like so. And basically, you need to go ahead and now make a new account on Fiverr using the same email address that you did use for the previous account. And that way, you are basically able to create a brand new Fiverr account, except with the brand new username. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.